Heating and air conditioning of public access buildings, like hotels, can account for more than half of the total energy expenditure. Frequently, building users can switch and adjust the HVAC system according to their tastes or needs. Also, in some cases, it is possible to open the windows, and on occasions, this means that the windows are open while the HVAC system is working, resulting in an important and avoidable energy consumption. By installing a simple detector in the window frame, the HVAC system will be automatically switched off when the windows are opened, avoiding unnecessary consumption of energy.